Welcome. Today, we're diving into how to disable mention requests on Instagram, keeping your notifications clean and stress-free. If you find those mention requests a bit overwhelming, follow these simple steps to turn them off. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Once you're logged in, look for your profile picture at the bottom right corner of your screen. Give that a tap to access your profile. Next, locate the three lines at the top right of your profile page. Tapping on these will take you to the Settings menu. Here, you'll find a variety of options to customize your experience. Now scroll down and tap on Notifications. This is where you can manage all your notification preferences, including mentions. Within the Notifications menu, you'll see an option labeled Posts, Stories, and Comments. Tap on that to dive a little deeper into your settings. Finally, scroll down to find the section labeled Mentions Requests. Here, you'll see the option to enable or disable them. To turn them off, simply select Off. And there you have it. You've successfully disabled mention requests on Instagram. Now, you can enjoy a more streamlined experience without the distractions of unnecessary notifications. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.